megalayapost.news.
Kum kejeng ya peteng banyak kun ban penduk jat yu drugs balak penjat ya bon ki kun samla balului ya pok kejela. Menteri rambak kejela ukan rat ki sama kum kongsan ulam khamat ya ka high level and district level drugs disposal committee jang katanat pulit ya pok kejela ban penjat ni thang no ya ki drugs belayo kurup bat balak shongdor hadu Sunpulai point prapundiu klur balak pelong ha Star Cement Limited lum shnong East Jaintil district. Hagani ka program ka sarkar jela balak tip kum ka drugs disposal program kaba kila penjat bat thang lut ya ki drugs belayo kurup. Aidon kalang ru sembut menteri rangba ke sarkar jela ubak presiden tensong ubak singa bahalang dhar ke menteri keterat ke koi kekhia ke Dr. M. Lingdo ke MLA ke Sutengah Saipung ke Kong Santa Mary Shela ke DGP keterat pulit ke jela ke Ida Shisha Nongrang berkentup ru kiwe de ke he pulit ke jela.
East Jaintil district. Sir, we assure you, sir, the fight against drugs will continue unabated under the leadership of our Honorable DGP to ensure that our youth of Meghalaya are safe and secure in the near future. So we are closely working out with the ATF team as well, day and night. So this main reason for this program is to ensure that there is a transparency in disposal of drugs. These drugs have been disposed duly after getting the due court order, and we have also invited members of public also to witness it. And all these things have been packed and properly humanized, and now we have been doing it in the incinerator. Now we will submit the report accordingly. So there is no question of where the drugs which we have seized has been, going to different places or not. This is a very completely transparent process. So the main reason for this program is that only, sir, that we have invited members of public, everyone who has directly witnessed this program now, sir. So I would like to also thank Star Cement for immense support.
It amounts to more than 53 crores, the market value. These are drugs. These are drugs that have been seized in different cases, in a total of 56 different cases from different districts of Eastern Range. So we would like to inform that we have the amount of seized drugs in Eastern Range, which is still waiting for disposal, is nearly double what we are disposing today, sir. We are hoping to get the necessary court orders to expedite that process. Unfortunately, the gap between the last time we had such a big disposal and now, sir, it's nearly 2 years. In fact, more than 2 years. We had the last time, the one in 2022. We hope to be making this a regular affair so that it doesn't keep accumulating, and all those allegations that there has been siphoning off from the Malkhanas, etc., does not keep recurring. I would like to assure everybody present here that whatever is seized and whatever is shown in and forwarded to court remains court property until we get an order from court for disposing. So there's no question of any kind of pilferage or any kind of deviation from the norms that have been set under the NDPS rule. Further, I would also like to inform that under the NDPS rules, what we have disposed of today will have to be certified by the committee which has been set up for this particular purpose. The IOs of the various cases are here today. All the OCs of the police station for which the case has been registered and which the seizing has been made will then give a certification, and this certification goes to court, and only then the whole process of disposal of any seized drugs is completed. The amount that has been disposed of today is minus the amount drawn for samples for sending for either for testing or for other purposes. While we have destroyed, while we are destroying the majority of the drugs that have been seized, this would include heroin and ganja. We have more than 2,600 kgs of ganja being destroyed today. We have more than 3 kgs of heroin being destroyed today. We have a small quantity of opium, but that goes to the opium center in Ghazipur, which we are mandated to do, and we have in fact coordinated with the National Narcotics Control Bureau, which has facilitated and ensured that we adhere to all these rules under the NDPS.
Akaba nakaliang jong ka polis, nakaliang jong ki paibang, asungu rom dia kibabun ki seng balang, kibabun ki snong ki tao, ki be krelang rengkat berkatim jong ki polis, berkat sorkar, ki bajuya ajing tim, ya ki bril, ki ba supply dan ki ba wanra ki kijai. Drugs ki ba per hapok pajelang jogi dengan sungu rom cibune, usia sungu rom cibune. Dia minta kasih kumba siam la pakai ilala e ban pendet kimde ban sutu baplan mar don teng ki bami aki kot por lai hujan ka bajigong ni geli ki pule syanu ki bu ki drugs ki bangila FC denai ngong ipil maria de pansis ka an ka NDPS ka ong dak ba syai ka bagi hapan somit cekut bagi hapan bu ba nginam na ban let dak moi pat ni somit cekut but kadon lu ka committee step by step nadu ka district level committee hadu ka high level committee but nata rengkap but ka direction bagawan ka pun yakini ke mar ke mengala mentai ka ban no dari ban penduk jai no kadai hadir ngayo e order na pun tena ka dau kini ki ka turun business dang hau aja Al-Quran ngilala ban destroy yaki katu kani ten rei nama bahasa sakut akapun mentah kadeti kapun aja ni order ka clearance mengilangkan pendet dengan kuah ban pensyai hang ni kolomba na kalian coba sorgar omdei bangi buri omdei bangi kuah ban penyat je kumipa ten rei dei tang nak takadau ka pelong ka kapor ka bapor bangi habaliat step by step kakum kanegaan kaba kaladon lepa apa juni ngane tu pi yang kini kendian naru ilade ya kaban play ya ka office ka gerbang ka ngiong ka ANTF team dari ANTF office ka belum dedicated fully na ka benda umno ni trace tomban pendujai drugs apa ka jingala jong japal singu badai IPS USP ubapek bakmi nakamta ke jelam nikla jogi barok kawai dengan kermen scam dak jing don bat ke jing pri jogi dari office ka NTPF kaliru karya sibune nane seman ban pendujai ya kini ki jai jingdi ki ba shirke ki ba penjot omtang ya UWA nei ki ba pun ki balang nadu ki kena ki bedang red hadu ki kena ki bedang temen dan ki rorang ba ki bedang temen ki bangok ha kini ki jing red tena ka daw na kaliang jongi kasorgan nginam tiak dengan dem bat ni kerpat red ya parok ki stakeholder ya parok kinong sok nong jobe cela jongi nginam ya kren su tang ya east jantia dan west jantia dan east kasim anrei ha parok kaleng sodong jobe cela me kala jong kapi jongi na kaleng komen kolomba to ini trailer nadu kinong sensyar snong nadu kinong sensyar hima kumjuru ki seng bahlang ki bakero per ki seng kentei ki seng samla snong par kabangi kerpat kolong tu ini trailang batla degi yo ya beijing tip kanu kin sego bahaban petip sya ki police station dari police outpost jogi ki bangi nglabu ki direction ngla ke direction ka tikna ka paka kumno ban handle ya kini issue ki ba ni issue hei hadu kata Tingi singo burong na kalian joka police department, bau chief minister daladi, nang tau deputy chief minister bak singo balang dah, hukum juri kong aprin I balong I minister joka health department, nang tai local MNI jungi kong santai don lang hakan kasgi, nak kamenta banyak penpau lang ya kecik singo kia jungi.
The respected deputy chief ministers, cabinet colleagues, MLAs, DGP, and other officials of the police department, of the administration, and all the other individuals who are present out here today. Today, the particular process that we have followed, in which we have destroyed a large quantity of drugs, is once again another example of our commitment as a state government for the war against drugs in our state. Many steps have been taken in the past, and many more will be taken in the future. In the last few months, we have opened up the police station specifically to fight against drugs, and a team has been set up. Different programs, policies have been created by the state government in order to ensure that this war against drugs is taken to the next level. And today, once again, as I said, we are here to prove and to also show the entire state that we are very, very serious about the war against drugs. And I would like to give my sense of appreciation and congratulations to the police department, which has done an excellent job, headed by our DGP and the other officials who are in charge, our SP in charge of the ANT and the Anti-Narcotics Task Force, and all the other SPs who are working closely in tandem with them, and all the other officials of the administration also who are working closely. Today, as our Deputy Commissioner has mentioned, that drugs worth over 53 crores have been destroyed, which includes almost about 23.98 crores worth of heroin, which has been destroyed, about 7.6 crores worth of ganja, about 21.3 crores worth of white crystal meth, and many other forms of drugs and substance abuse that is there. The materials, those have been today destroyed. And again, as mentioned by DGP, we have in our stock more that will be destroyed in the coming months, but there are procedures that need to be followed as per law, and certain permissions need to be taken from the court. And as a very strong message to our state, our citizens, that we are very serious about this, and this particular war and the fight against drugs will continue. But in order for us to overcome this, we need to work together. And so I also take this opportunity to appeal to the citizens, to the community, to our people, that we must be in this together and work together as a team. I'm happy today that our Health Minister also is here. Health Ministry Department has a huge role to play. The Social Welfare Department is also playing a very active role and is anchoring, in fact, the DREAM project and the mission that we have, which is to eliminate and also provide rehabilitation to the drug users in the best possible manner, and eliminate drugs in terms of the supply that is there coming into our state and the country as a whole.
MeghalayaPost.news